off a few hot days, we have lightning, rain, and a possible tornado. The chief is tracking it all.
That's right, a lot going on. Let's take you back a little before 11 a.m. It was dry, then the rain came in. We've been dealing with showers and thunder showers rolling through downtown Buffalo. The rain is lightening up just a bit right now. We have a temperature of 74 degrees with rain at the airport. Winds out of the south-southwest at 8 miles per hour. Your weather alerts page quiet right now. No watches or warnings right now, but that could certainly change as the afternoon moves along. Let's take a look at lightning strikes, and we have right now 34 lightning strikes on the screen. About 10 minutes ago we had 40, so you can see the numbers are lowering just a bit. Want to take a closer look here just to the west of Niagara Falls. You can see these thunderstorms out over the Niagara Peninsula moving off toward the east, arriving in Niagara Falls in the next 10 minutes. Wheatfield around 12:30, Lockport around 12:54. You're going to have the rain before that, but the rain will intensify during this time period, and you'll hear that thunder and see that lightning as well. You can also see a little bit of circulation here in eastern parts of Genesee County. So we'll click on that, and that cell right now is bringing some very heavy rain and possibly some hail. Not much in the way of wind or tornadic impact, so that's a good sign. But we are starting to see a little bit of spin in the atmosphere here in western New York, and you can see rainfall rates right now over an inch per hour. So damaging winds and flooding are all possibilities as the afternoon moves along. Let's zoom out now, show you what's going through right now. This is round one of the storminess for today. It's kind of racing through western New York. What I'm going to watch is this area to our south. You can see some breaks in the cloud cover. It gets some sunshine, makes the atmosphere more unstable. And then this moves up toward western New York, and that's when things heat up and the storms really start to fire up later on this afternoon. We do have the Storm Prediction Center shading most of western New York in yellow right there, indicating a slight risk for severe storms across the area today. We also have about a 5% chance for tornadoes today. Again, that's from the Storm Prediction Center. It's not much. It's not that high, 2% chance to our east. However, you don't see that too often. And when you have the 5% chance, you definitely want to be weather ready as the day moves along. You can see some storms popping up around 2 p.m. Better chance for some storms closer to dinner time as these cells continue to race off toward the east, bringing heavy rain and possibly some damaging winds and maybe an isolated tornado or two. We'll have some showers early on Friday, clearing as your Friday moves along. Friday afternoon looks pretty nice. As far as the storm index is concerned for today, again, the biggest threat with these storms will be the high winds. So the damaging winds, possibly 60 miles per hour plus as these storms move through. And also the flooding, as we're seeing rainfall rates of about an inch or two per hour. Your forecast for today, showers and storms are likely. Temperatures in the low 80s. Very, very humid air mass in place. Tonight, showers and thunder showers, overnight lows in the upper 60s. Another sticky evening. Your 7 First Alert, 7-day forecast, mid-80s tomorrow. Morning clouds can way to sunshine. Saturday, near 90 degrees. Same thing with